Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach, 30A and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
So I love this house. I can't wait to show them to them. We're less than a mile and can get right here.
Absolutely. There's public beach access right across from Seacrest Drive, where this gorgeous 3-2 house is nestled in a little cul-de-sac on the end, right next to
The state park.
Yes.
So complete serenity with a quiet backyard. Y'all got to see this.
And no HOA. So you have the amenities of 30A. You have the restaurants, the fine dining, the shopping, the gorgeous beach.
Yes.
Yes. But without that HOA, I cannot wait to show it to you. Forgive me, I'm over here daydreaming. Have you seen this adorable little breakfast nook overlooking the backyard? So much sunlight coming in. I think that's what I love about this house the most. It's got this beautiful flow, the kitchen overlooking that backyard with lots of sunshine. You go into a formal dining room, again, all the light flooding in, that great Florida sunshine. You flow into the living room, spacious area for everyone to get together and relax. You've got higher ceilings and a wood burning fireplace. Lots of little details that you don't want to miss out. You have to come and check it out.
Welcome into this main ensuite. This sweet 3-bed, 2-bath home is perfect. Quietly nestled right here. So close to the beach on 30A, but you've got so much privacy because this house is sitting right next to the state park. But let's keep talking about in here. You've got the elevated ceilings and this beautiful ensuite. So you've got your 2 sinks, your shower, your tub, all right here. Everything that you need in this perfect little home. So for more information, look in the description below for this beautiful property right here in Santa Rosa Beach and 30A.
Absolutely. Thanks, Heather. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like these on the Emerald Coast.